How to add Google search bar on Android home screen. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, hold on to your home screen. For 2-3 seconds, you will find widget. Beside wallpaper and home settings, click on widget. In here, scroll down till you find Chrome. You will find Chrome search. Simply click on it. You can drag it as well. After you drag it, you can place anywhere in your home screen you want. In this way, after you do that, release it and you will find search button of Google on your home screen. This is how to add Google search bar on Android home screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.